Hi and welcome. Today we're making Brik. This is the Brik dough. I made it at home. I will link the video to show you how to make it. It's very simple and easy. But for the meantime, if you don't have that, you can use the spring roll for like the egg roll, the Asian one. You can use that. It will work the same thing. So what do you need? You need harissa, hot sauce. You need salt and pepper. Eggs, depends how many you're making. So I'm making 2, so 2 eggs in there. Parsley and mashed potatoes. You can use tuna, you can use chicken, you can use anything you like in Brik. Brik is not like a specific thing that you can do. You can do anything you like. So the first thing we're gonna do, you can put the harissa first and then the potato, or you can do the opposite, the potato first and then harissa, and then you can put parsley, you can put anything, olives, cheese, anything, and then crack the egg in the middle. Make sure that your oil is ready to go, and then you just fold it over and you slide it to the oil. The oil is not really hot and it's not cold. It has to be like a good temperature. So you just do that with a spoon to make sure the egg, depends how you like the egg. So you just keep doing that until make sure the egg cook, and then you're just gonna, after that, for a few minutes, you just do that, and then you're just gonna flip it over. And that's it. The main thing to do that is to make sure the egg's gonna cook. That's it. You see how it's changing? This dough is an excellent dough. It tastes so delicious. I will link the video how to make it at home. And these are the Brik. I hope you will like, and if you do, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in next video, and enjoy. Bye bye.